Good morning, my dear students. How are you? So we have completed the lesson, and Thursday we'll have the exam. But before that, today we can revise the lesson because many problems are there in this lesson. So I'll explain once again the problem part. See, the first one, you have to learn the atomic mass of certain elements. I have given you in the notebook that you have to learn by heart. Then only you can do the problems. Helium, sodium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, calcium, iron, potassium, phosphorus, and chlorine. This many elements, atomic mass you have to learn clearly. Then only you can do the problems. See that number of atoms. What do you mean by the number of atoms? In carbon, the mass is 12 gram. That is, its atomic mass is 12. That's why it is taken in gram, and it contains Na number of atoms. This value is called Na number, Avogadro number. 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 ആണ് Avogadro number. So that much of carbon atoms. If it is taken oxygen atoms, that much of oxygen atoms. Clear? Then see this one, carbon atom, its atomic mass is given, mass in grams, and it contains 1 GAM. GAM means gram atomic mass. Atomic mass expressed in grams, which contains Na number of atoms. So you have to learn this one. In each gas or each element has this type of number of atoms. All the elements are having, all the gases are having this type of number of atoms. That means Na number of atoms. First one is number of atoms. How can we calculate the number of gram atomic mass? It is, the equation is given here. Given mass in grams divided by GAM of the element. So I have given you two problems relating that one. 42 gram of nitrogen. So what is the number of atoms present in each sample? So 42 gram is given here. It's nitrogen atomic mass. So it is divided by 14. That is 3. Clear or not? The number of atoms 3 Na. Number of atoms 3 Na. How can we calculate the molecular mass? Molecular mass, that is H2. Atomic mass is 1. So molecular mass is 1 plus 1, 2. Oxygen atomic mass 16. So its molecular mass 32. Then for compounds H2O. So that is called the molecular mass of H2 is equal to H1 into 2 plus 16. Oxygen atomic mass 16. So that is 18 molecular mass. Then how can we calculate the molecular mass of a compound? It is the atomic mass, sum of the atomic masses of all elements present in that compound. How can we calculate the number of molecules present in each sample? See this equation. Number of molecules is equal to given mass divided by gram molecular mass. So for this problem, 360 gram of glucose contains 360 divided by 180. Glucose atomic mass of molecular mass of glucose is 180. So 360 divided by 180, that is 2 into Na number of atoms. Clear? Then see this table. 28 gram of nitrogen. Nitrogen can be expressed in these ways. So it's very important in while doing the problems. So 28 gram of nitrogen contains 1 GMM of nitrogen. So that is equal to 1 GMM of nitrogen, and which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, or Na number of molecules, or we can say in another form 1 mole of N2 molecules. 1 mole of N2 molecules, and which is same as 2 GAM of nitrogen. GAM, gram atomic mass. Here 1 GMM, that is 1 gram molecular mass. Then it is equal to 2 into Na of atoms and 2 mole nitrogen atoms. In the case of atoms, it is 2 nitrogen atoms. Molecules, 1 mole of nitrogen molecules. How can we calculate the number of moles? It is not given in the textbook clearly, but I have given you in order to find out in order to calculate the problems. If mass is given, how can we calculate the number of moles? Number of moles is equal to given mass divided by gmm or GAM if mass is given. Then if volume is given, then the equation is given volume divided by molar volume. Then what is molar volume? Molar volume is 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters for any gas at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. 273 Kelvin is the standard temperature and 1 atm pressure is the standard pressure. So in order to calculate the number of moles, if volume is given, that is given volume divided by 22.4 liter molar volume, you have to find out. Clear or not? In order to calculate the number of moles, number of molecules and number of atoms in the following samples. This type of question is very important one. So in order to calculate this one, first of all we have to find out the number of moles. So gram, mass is given here. So the equation is mass in grams divided by GA. While doing the problems, you have to write the equation first, then only you have to do the problems. For the exam, you have to be very careful in that. Otherwise, I will not give a mark. So step by step, you have to do the problems. Clear? So number of moles is equal to mass in grams divided by GAM. It is atom. That's why. So 20 grams divided by atomic mass of helium is 4, that is 5. 5 is the number of moles. How can we calculate the number of molecules? Number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Na. For every question you have to do it that number of moles into Na. How can we calculate the number of atoms? Number of atoms is equal to helium contain only one atom. So 5 Na into 1 atom, that is 1. So it is actually 5 Na itself. Clear? Then for the second question, 44.8 liter volume is given. So which equation you have to write? Number of moles is equal to given volume divided by molar volume. Given volume is 44.8. So molar volume is 22.4, that is 2 mole. So number of moles 2 moles. Then how can we calculate the number of molecules? I told you already, number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Na, that is 2 Na. How can we calculate the number of atoms? Number of atoms, number of molecules into how many atoms are present in ammonia. Ammonia is 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogens. So that is 1 plus 3, that is 4. 2 Na into 4, that is 8 Na. Clear?